How to draw a group frequency distribution table. Here, weekly wages given to workers are given, ranging from 300, 310, 320, 290, 320, and 339, so on. Now, if we write the values from 300 to 339, it will be very difficult. So we will divide them into the interval. Now take the difference or the size between them to be 10. Size to be 10. Now check out the lowest value. Lowest value is 290. Highest value is 339. Now we will divide the interval between them. As our class size is 10, so take the interval between 280 to 290, 290 to 300, 300 to 310, 330 to 340. Now see, 290, 290. It is in both the interval. So 290 will be counted in the highest order. That means 290 will be counted in the highest observation. That is in second line. Similarly, 300 will be counted in the 300 to 310 line. That means the common observation will always be counted in the higher class. In the same way, 330 to 330, 330 to 340, 330 will be counted in the highest observation. That is 330 to 340. Now just check. Between 280 and 290, we will have the numbers from 280 to 289. Now just check. Between 280 and 289, there are no numbers. So frequency will be 0. 290 to 300, just count. 290 now will be counted in this class. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So frequency will be 4. 300 to 310. 300 will be counted in this class. 1. We will not count 310. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 310 to 320. Now 310 will be counted also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 320 to 330. 1, 2, 3. Now the last interval is 330 to 340. That means 330 to 339 value will be counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these are known as class interval. These are known as class interval. This is tally marks, and frequency, that means number of workers. These are the wages, so we term them as class intervals. Now 0, now value 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next slanting line, it will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now for 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5. Now from this class interval, we can define many things. That is 280 to 290. This is called the lowest class limit, and this is called the upper class limit. This is called the lower or lowest class limit. This is called the upper class limit. Now width or size. It is the difference between the lower upper class limit and lower class limit. That is 290 minus 280. That is 10. 290 minus 280. We can define the range. Range, highest value minus lowest value. 339 minus 320. It is for the full class interval. Highest value minus lowest value. Now we can define also class size. Class mark. That is the average of the lowest class limit plus upper class limit divided by 2 for a particular class interval. That means class mark will be different for all the class intervals. For the first interval, it will be 280 plus 290 upon 2. For the second interval, 290 plus 300 upon 2. So this is the concept regarding the using group frequency distribution table.